Good morning. Today I am going to say you the keywords and of chapter 2, that is plants around us. So see, these are the keywords of chapter 2. Absorb, 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 that means shuck or take in. Creep, 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 grow or spread in such a way as to cover. Particular, PARTICULAR, particular means specific, SPECIFIC. And number 4 is the several, that means many, SEVERAL. Okay, so these are the keywords of chapter 2. Okay, now I am moving to the chapter 3, that is leaf, and this is the last chapter of the first periodic test portion. Okay, so we will listen carefully and see the words, keywords of this chapter. First word is the aroma, that is fragrance, nice smell, convenient, suited to your comfort, essential, necessary, garnish, something added to a dish to add flavor. Okay, and then the word is the texture, that means the feel of rough or smooth surface. Okay, so these are the keywords of chapter 3, that is leaf. Okay, now move to the question answer. First of all, come to the fill in the blanks. Exercise A. Number 1 is the stem. You have to fill here. Sorry, no, this is not the question. I'm going to the leaf. Yes, leaf. Number 1 is the dash is the common green part of the plant. What will you fill here? LEAF, leaf. What? LEAF, leaf. Number 2 is the leaves of different plants differ in their shape, size and texture. What will you fill here? Texture, TEXTURE. Okay, now come to the 3. Neem and dash leaves are often used for medicinal purpose. You will fill here tulsi, TULSI. Okay, and number 4 is the leaves of spinach and methi are used as dash. So you will fill here vegetable. Okay, VEGETABLE, vegetable. So leaves of the spinach and methi are used as vegetable. Now come to the B. See the B question, exercise B. Write true or false for the following statement. See, listen carefully. Number 1, neem leaf is often used to protect clothes from the insect. This is true. Number 2, leaves of a plant help them to make their own food. This is also true. Number 3, curry leaves are used to garnish food. This is true. And number 4 is the new leaves take place of old leaf. This is true. So B, 1 true, 2 true, 3 true, 4 true. Okay, now come to the C. Tick the correct option. Number 1 is the leaf of this plant is used as plate. What is this? Answer will be banana. Okay, so tick banana, A, banana. Number 2 is that these should not be used to make compost. So here your answer is the A, that is fallen leaves. Okay, what? A, fallen leaves. Number 3 is this leaf is often used to add aroma to the food, and your answer is the coriander. What? Coriander. 3B, that is coriander. Now come to the question answer D. Exercise D, and the question is the number 1 question is the D is the answer the following questions in brief, and the question is what does a leaf do for the plant? You will write a leaf makes food for the plant. Okay, and number 2 question is that to what use were some leaves put by the saints in olden days? You will write in olden days saints used to write on some leaves. Okay, number 3 is the state 2 uses of leaves in our food. You will write that 2 uses of leaves in our food are, see, number 1 used to garnish the food, number 2 used as vegetables. Okay, number 3 is the name any 2 articles where we can find leaf designs. So what will you write? You will write 2 articles, and that are the number 1 is the curtain, spelling is CURTAIN, curtain. Number 2 is the sari, saree. Okay, so you will write this sari and curtains are the two designs where you get leaf designs. Okay, two things where you get the leaf designs. Number 5 is the how is compost useful for plants and crops. What will you do? Compost helps the plants and crop to grow better. What? To grow better. Okay, I hope no problem is there now. And now I am moving to the question E. So see the question E, answer the following question. Exercise E, answer the following question. And question number 1 is the state any 3 uses of leaves. So what will you write? You will write 3 uses of leaves are: number 1 used as medicine, number 2 used to garnish food, number 3 used as vegetable. Okay, so you will read this. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is the why do plants shed their leaves? What will you write? You will write the plants shed their old leaves because old leaves are not able to perform their function. What? Again I am going to repeat it. Plants shed their old leaves because old leaves are not able to perform their function well. Okay. So now this is the answer of question 2. Now I am coming to the question number 3. How can compost be made? You will write we should collect and dump the fallen leaves in a pit, and this waste can then be covered with moist soil for 2 to 3 months and it becomes what? Compost. What will you write? We should collect and dump the fallen leaves in a pit, and this waste can be covered with moist soil for 2 to 3 months for 2 to 3 months and it becomes compost. Okay, so this is all about the question E. Exercise E, question 1, 2, 3. I have given this. Okay, answer of these questions, and this is exercise D. Questions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you write these questions and answers, and exercise A, B, C are here. You can write from this. Okay, and then the keywords are here: aroma, convenient, essential, garnish and texture. Okay, so this is all about chapter 3. So what is your duty? You will learn and write everything, each and every question, so that you could get good marks. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.